Ever wondered how to make smash burger? Well, I'm going to show you some simple steps how to make that. We are going to take 140-gram patty and smash it over Blackstone grill. That's my own homemade seasoning that I made at home and fall in love with. I don't like just simple salt and pepper. I like a little bit seasoning on my patty. I also like pepper jack cheese with some jalapenos, and that will make my smash burger a little moist and more flavorful. I like brioche buns, so that's what I'm using. I made my homemade sauce as well, and it's very delicious. If you want the recipe for it, please comment below, and I'll share my secret recipes with you guys. And this is my burger, and I'm gonna go and enjoy it.